Okay, here's a quick little video of our setup. We've got your MPS4 player here. It's hooked up in the back. If you'll notice, there's some plugs back here where you can hook up cables. You can hook it up to a monitor here. I've got my keyboard set up here, and then the rest of them are just normal. Big thing is make for sure that you get these two cables in the right spot. This one over on this far side is for the internet, and this one over here is for the main system. That's your NUVO net. So we do that. We press the button to get it start booting up. You should see the hard drive light lighten up. There it goes. You'll see it kind of flash on the screen. I did go through and replace this. I pulled one off of another unit, so it looks like it's working better now. This is what you'll see on the screen. So it's still booting up. It'll give your IP address. And then if you go over here, down to Start and All Programs, you can pull up an internet browser. Then I'd go right here and just type in google.com to see if it's working. And you really need a simple website to check it with because most of them are so advanced. They have so many graphics, you can't really tell, but that confirms that the system is connected to the internet. If you see down here, all the lights are out, which is good. The LAN is working. And then you see that it's ready down here. We'll go through and do menu, go out to radio, load your Pandora. This shows that it's your account. And then we go down here to, let's say, Guns N' Roses. So it's all working fine. That's the big test, is to go through and hook it up to a monitor, keyboard, and then see if your landline, maybe use a different landline to it to check it.